Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In the previous video, we have discussed about how to adjust the size regarding images. So how to adjust background image size, how to position it according to our requirement. If you didn't watch that video, you can check out a playlist. So in this video, I am going to explain how we can adjust borders according to the requirement. So let's start with our topic borders. So here there is a border can be having a different types of styles. So according to our requirement, we will go for a solid, dash, dotted, groove. Whether if it is a requirement for double, you can go double, and if you want to hide this border, you can give value hidden value for this border style property. So let's get, and also there is a ridge, so you can see in the example. So let's get started. So open Visual Studio and create an MVC application. So I have created and added HTML page and working in index.cs HTML. So here I want to add h1 tag in the div section. So I'll give welcome to CSS borders. So here I'll give h2 some solid border and h3 dotted border, h4 dashed border, h5 groove border, h6 so I will give double border. So now here I will give paragraphs, ridge border. So here I will give hidden border. Just I gave sample names, titles for these headings. I'm saving it. So we have to apply CSS for these elements. So go to, or else we can go through inline style. If you didn't watch about inline style, you can check out the playlist CSS real-time tutorials, which will be in our channel. So I'll give here style, border style. So I will start from below. Solid border we have given name, so style equaled border style solid. First of all, I want to run without styling so that you can understand how it is applying. So I am saving and running the page. It is running. Wait for the page to load. Yeah, here it is. How it is looking. Yeah, we have to give borders for all these. So I'm stopping the application. So we are going for inline styles. So start from h2, add style, style equal border style solid, and here style equal border. While practicing, you can better to write these styles in the separate CSS file as in the real time follows. So this is dotted one, so apply dotted border style, border style dashed, and for the groove style equal to border style. It is a groove, select groove, and the style for this h6 is border style double, and for paragraph border style is ridge. So here style is equal to border style is hidden. Now run this and wait for the page to load. Yeah, this is how it will look. We have solid, dotted, dash, groove, double, ridge, and hidden border. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel, and please share with your friends. So I will be back with another video in the next lesson. We will see how the another style like border width, how can we give that border width. So all that topic, and the border colors also, how to give that border colors, we can see in the next video. So thank you very much.